Alright. This is Tylen back with another video. What we have today, folks, is this U64. Well, it's a Hoover, technically, you see here. It's a Hoover U6432. This is not the very first one I bought back 2020. From the end of the first one I got is from 2001. This is from 2003, matter of fact. But yeah, the reason why you see this in my room, I brought it in my bedroom. No, I'm just making a video of let you guys know what's gonna happen to this machine. Yeah. It's a solid vacuum, pretty much. This is one of Hoover's classic designs from 2003, which they really started making these models, the early ones, in the late 90s, like 98. As you can tell, you see, I have another base on this machine, rear base. But I actually making this video to let you know what's going to happen to this vacuum. No. I ain't doing no vacuum videos like run it, nothing like that. But actually, I'll take that back. I'm going to test run this pre-restoration before it gets fully restored. When I say fully restored, it's a lot of stuff that's going to be having to get done to this machine. So let's go ahead and take a look at underneath the bottom part of the vacuum. Yep. So the bottom part. This came off of eBay. The first one I bought off was Facebook. This came off of eBay as a repair for parts of repair. But yeah, I'm actually gonna give her a full restoration. And this cord going bye-bye, because look at this. Cord thin. I have a brand new cord somewhere up there. But yeah. Yep. It's gonna get a new cord. It's starting to corrode, so it's underneath. Wheels are actually not original to this machine. The actual base of this is in the shed. To the shed. Oh. The reason why you see this vacuum leaning, because it has a stripped screw hole. And I have another base that has a stripped screw hole, so I'm gonna remove the this part out of another base. Throw in the dishwasher, clean it up. Then I'm going to rebuild the strip screw holes. I bought new belts today, V belt, flat belt. So a new power drive assembly from eBay. Has a set of attachments, crevice tool, furniture nozzle, yeah, this furniture nozzle here, and then now dust brush didn't look like this before. It was hardly ever used, but I been using this a few times, so that's why I look like that. Still in good condition. Again, wheels are not original. Something I had on, something I've been having on hand. Parted out a few wind tunnels. Got 2 extension ones. Got your main hose. You already know they always come with a main hose. Now I accidentally broke this bad boy, trying to remove the cord hook, trying to move it out to rebuild this worn part. So I finally got a new cord hook. New old stock filter in there. Haven't run it in a while. Still got the scent to it. Yeah. So this one is the Hoover U6432, and this is actually before the time when Hoover started to kind of shrink their Hoover shrink those model numbers, not too small, but look at that. It's the number, the size of that. But this is made in January 2003. So next month it'll be, calculate that.
Won't you join us in this life-saving effort? Donate today and help us do more. No gift is too small.
2025. Run is 2000. January 2003, not 2004, but 2003. Oh God. Hold on, guys, my bad.
Hey there, fella.
Oh, hey, Mr. Mora, what brings you by?
Nothing more than some holiday cheer.
No fooling.
Sometimes working hard.
So it's 22 years old right now. So next year it will be, so 2026 minus 2003. It'll be 23. She'll be 23 years old. So, solid machine. So, full restoration. There's gonna be some parts that you've never seen before. There's gonna be some paint jobs that nobody never really talk about or show how to do. So yeah. So I'm also gonna check. Normally I see these will split, crack, collapse, or wear. And one day I might end up showing how to replace one of these on a Hoover U6425, U64, whatever models, especially the earlier ones don't have these where you unscrew. The only way you have to replace this is take like a utility knife, cut it open, and then take like a pair of pliers or whatever you have and unravel it. when I first got this off of eBay, people don't know how to wrap up correct or protect it 100%. As you can tell, I had to rebuild the look. I had to repair this, clean it up, roughen it, and use JB Weld epoxy putty, plastic weld, and that stuff. It's no joke. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you got your turbo brush. It needs to be cleaned again, but yeah, it's broke. And I might end up rebuilding that again, but this time I'm gonna put some putty underneath, and probably might end up reinforce this and build it, make it more stronger. So yeah. The original transmission on this one is in the box all the way underneath that stuff over there on the bed. The transmission I put on this one is from a U6423 I bought off of eBay years back. Problem with that one, belt slipping because of a worn pulley, so I eventually just bought a brand new transmission on the eBay. Got your filter door, and then normally there'd be like a labeling on that, but all that's gonna come off. Here goes the this door gasket, and unfortunately, I'm gonna replace this door gasket. But however, Hoover no longer made this, so let me tell you something. I don't want somebody to tell me, well, if it's worn, replace the door panel. Door panel is good to go. It's fine. I know how to bypass vacuum parts that is discontinued and get creative. Since this is worn, this is in good condition. So that ain't nothing I'm gonna do is this. What you can do, go to Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever, Ace Hardware. Get yourself a screen spline. I got myself a 160 diameter screen spline. And the problem with that is the screen spline don't stay in place. So what I have to do is improvise. It means take some heat shrink tubing that you use on electrical wiring, and make a sleeve out of it, and take a heat gun, heat him up, and that'll keep it in place. Also, that rubber is gonna last a long time, very long time. Yeah, I know I've been running a minute. But when I say a full restoration, I'm talking about break the motherfucker down, clean parts up. You know how I do it. Motor already been taken care of. And yes, I do spray paint motors. And I ain't talking about armatures. I ain't talking about the winding field winding, whatever you call it. Then I actually spray paint like carbon burst holders and the stationary fan, and not the fan itself, that the suction fan, but all that. But vacuum's gonna get fresh spray paint, new paint job and all that. The hood, yeah, it's gonna get that. The hood itself, these gonna have to come off. These gonna get dishwashed, spray painted. The label itself is gonna get cleaned up, and once I remove it off, That's where, you know, the hood gonna get washed and all that. Then I'm going to resurface. I'm gonna put this back on. Yeah, I'm gonna resurface the hood. Do a automotive job on this. The hood, not hood, the door panel, I'm gonna have to get so one thing is I gotta get what I call, it's called can't think of the name of it. Transfer tape. Cause I'm finna peel all this old logo, the graphics off of this, because that's gonna come off. All the graphics coming off, and I ain't talking about erasing it. I'm talking about just transferring onto, you know, graphic tape. Why? Door panel gonna get cleaned up, get restored. So wet sand, buffing, polishing, and then new side door gasket. Then the hood, the door panel, not door panel, the what's it called? Bottom plate and the edge of the clear plastic. This housing got new felt seals on them, so we're good on that. Again, I already bought new belts for this, flat belt, V belt. Now, you know, all I gotta do is I got to oh, and the idler, there's an idler pulley on it, and the idler bearing, it has a new bearing. I put a new sealed bearing on it. What I do is take a like a tool or like a socket or a nut driver and take a hammer and pop that old bearing out and put the new bearing in. Press fit back in. Let you get a taste of the motor. It'll sound like. Now you hear that? Oh, that sounds. Yep. Now the reason why you don't see that is I got some parts lodged in there. Ooh, that sounds so smooth. Okay, so yeah. So technically, that's what it sounded like. I pulled the flat belt off, but I already put a new switch in this. Heavy duty garden bender rocker switch from Home Depot. So what I'm gonna do, since I already did the motor, I might end up clean the motor up. But what I'm gonna do is basically I gotta check, because like I said, cord's gonna get replaced. Oh, it's 22 years old, so what you expect. And I'm gonna check the wiring, the internal wiring. Now, I'm gonna say this. Apparently, the internal wiring Hoover no longer make, but I know how to work my way around this. You can go to eBay. I got my wires from Home Depot, for the wire harness, not wire harness, for the lead wire from the cord to the motor, 14 gauge. So, if you want to see, you got to again, if you want to see this vacuum full restoration, also gotta get some. I got some clear spray paint, but I want some high gloss clear spray paint. Why? Because I got restore the clear plastic parts. This part, tool door, nozzle housing. I gotta catch this this girl right here. I gotta catch her. This part is gonna get spray paint. That part gonna get spray paint, and the again, this nozzle housing. Other than that, also, I'm going to replace some gaskets and use some. That's gonna last a long time. There's a this is the hose dirt ducts. And there's gonna be like that white, some kind of material. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna customize my own and make it out of rubber. Yeah, that's gonna make it last for a long time. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more. Yep, stay tuned for more. Thumbs up if you like the video. Comment down below what you want to see next. And to see this like again, if you want to see this full restoration, you're gonna have to get me to 150 subscribers. 130 subscribers if you want to see the Dyson. 150 subscribers to see, like, basically I'm gonna do there's things I'm gonna do off of camera, but like spray painting, that's gonna be all off camera because I don't want to make it longer than it seems. But actually, that'll probably be a good thing. So yeah, it's a solid machine. I remember Kmart sold these 2001, 2002, 2003. I know somebody else sold this too, but these were solid vacuums back in this time. So yeah, again, thumbs up, subscribe. More videos coming soon. And you know what? Before I close this video out, that's not the motor. It's not what you guys think. This came off of eBay. Somebody sold a Hoover U6432-900 for parts because technically somebody had a motor problem. So I'm just showing you what's gonna happen to this. If you also, I'll tell you what, if you guys want to see me restore a motor as well, if you guys want to see me do restoration, I will do it. But for motors, gonna have to get me up to like 160 subscribers. How about this? 200 subscribers to see a motor get fully restored professionally by me. So yeah, I'll see you guys pretty soon. So yeah, let me give you guys one more test run for this wind tunnel. Yeah, I robbed the flat belt off of this one. So yeah, it's a huge. Yeah, it's leaning back. So, but that's gonna get rectified, and I think I'm gonna end up. Yeah, I'm gonna end up rebuilding this house. I can rebuild this housing, still in good condition, but I can rebuild it. But yeah, plug it now. So, yeah, stay tuned for more. Peace.